Okay, so this is a quick video on writing in expanded form. We're looking at these two numbers, 247 and 71,329. In each case, you should be thinking about your number and looking at the columns and place values. So you've got units on the first one there, tens on this one, hundreds on the next one. And so we write it out. We maintain the order of place values, so the 200 goes first, so there's two lots of 100 there, and then there's 4 lots of 10, and then there's 7 lots of 1, and so we're matching up the 100 there with the place value concept, so there's 2 lots of the 100. And then there's 4 lots of the 10 and 7 lots of the 1. And so we can do the same here, and we just need to go across and understand what each of these things are. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and tens of thousands. So once again, starting from that largest value, we're saying 7 lots of 10,000 plus 1 lot of 1,000 plus 3 lots of 100 plus 2 lots of 10 plus 1 lot of 9. Let's write that way around, 9 lots of 1. Now in each case here, just remember that times really does mean lots of. Going all the way back to the first time we thought about times and what it actually meant, it's lots of. How many lots of this are we dealing with? That's about that. Thank you.